How can you, my friend, get your first or next 5 clients in less than 30 days organically without spending any money on paid advertising, even if you are starting out from scratch with no list, no following, no reputation in your market? That's exactly what I'm about to show you in today's video, so make sure to stay around and keep full attention. And as a warning, guys, do not skip any part of this video because there's one critical thing that you absolutely need to know in order to make this work, okay? So let me show you how to do it right now. Alright, so this is perfect for you if you are in client's business, right? Maybe you are running agency, maybe you are a consultant, maybe you are a coach and you need to get clients in order to grow business. Well, that's exactly what happened to me when I started selling my first high ticket offer. I was running Facebook ads for clients, or I at least wanted to do that, but I really didn't know what I need to do in order to attract any clients to me, right? I was starting out from scratch with no list, with no reputation, with no testimonials, from zero, and I really didn't know how to actually attract any clients to me. And I know it's the biggest problem for people who are starting these social media agencies, and they try to grow their business, but they are not really sure how to market themselves. And because I didn't have any free resources to really learn about some powerful strategies, I really want you to have it, and I want to share with you the strategy that allowed me to make over $20,000 in first 30 days organically, 100% free traffic when I started running Facebook ads for clients. And I will give it to you for free right now, and I hope you will actually take it and implement it, because my sole goal of this YouTube channel is to provide more value for you for free than most people are charging for. Of course, I have products, I have a high level coaching programs that I sell, and I know it will be totally worth it for you if you join, but I really want to provide a lot of value first, which is a different approach than from many people. Anyway, let's jump into the 4-step formula and how can you actually use it. We will talk about organic marketing, and we will use social media to get you 5 clients in less than 30 days. And it's totally possible because I've done it, a lot of my students done it as well. And don't get me wrong, paid advertising is amazing because you want to advertise, you want to go out there and get so much attention that everybody knows you, right? Facebook advertising, Google ads, YouTube ads is amazing. But when you are starting out, you maybe don't have a budget for it, because that was my case. So this system, this method will allow you to build a cash flow, get your first clients into your business for free, so that then you can use that cash flow into paid ads. So step number 1, optimize your profile. I was talking about it, we will use social media. You can use it on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, even on forums like Reddit or something, right? You just want to find out where are your ideal clients hanging out. I will use Facebook as an example because that's exactly what I've used. And what you want to do on Facebook, you want to treat your personal profile, listen, I didn't say page, I said personal profile as your business card, right? I want you to treat it for a business. So you want to create nice cover image where you state exactly what you are doing, or who is your ideal client, how are you helping them, right? You want to have on your profile picture, you want to have your face. Don't put cats here, don't put dogs here, your daughters here, your kids, right? You want to put your face there because that's how you connect with people. That's how you connect with your potential clients. In your bio statement, you want to actually have a sentence that clearly states exactly what do you do. So if your potential clients go to your profile, they will see in a minute what do you do and how can you help them. And then you can also have the featured image here where you funnel them into your Facebook group if you have one, right? Or into your website. So this is the step 1, optimize your profile, make yourself look like an expert on your topic. So when someone visits that profile, they know exactly what do you do and how can you help them. Step number 2, join relevant Facebook groups. Now, Facebook groups are really powerful because on Facebook there are so many groups on any topic you can think of. So Let's say you are in fitness niche, right? You want to go to Facebook and you want to type fitness and you want to just join all these relevant Facebook groups. Where are your ideal clients hanging out, right? In my case, because I wanted to run Facebook ads for e-commerce store owners, I simply typed to the Facebook search e-commerce, right? Shopify, any relevant keywords within my niche, and I joined all active Facebook groups out there because you want to go where your ideal clients are hanging out. So that's step number 2. Make sure to join all the relevant Facebook groups within your niche. Step number 3. Now you are in these groups, now you are in the place, in the community, where are your ideal clients hanging out? So you want to get attention. Get attention. Attention is the most important thing. We all are fighting for attention. And you can do it with paid advertising or organically if you actually know how to get attention from people within the communities where they are hanging out. So what you want to do in these Facebook groups, you want to become active. You want to participate in the groups. You want to help out people. So if someone is asking some relevant questions to whatever you are doing, you want to actually respond with some great answer, right? You want to help out. And also try to post as much as you can, but try to post value. What I did when I did my first $20,000 organically with this strategy, I just went to these e-commerce groups and I simply started providing value. I created massive value posts where I shared some really amazing value for free and people loved it, right? I was getting amazing engagement, like more than 200 likes, more than 100 comments. People were freaking out about the value. They were sending me messages asking for help, and that's how you get attention. That's how you position yourself as an expert. Because if you don't have any testimonials, if you don't have a budget, you actually want to solve your ideal clients' problems for free. You just want to help for free in these communities, so people actually will notice, hey, this is someone who actually cares, who is knowledgeable because you are providing value, right? And if you are teaching someone, they immediately saw you as an expert. So make sure to go to these Facebook groups and provide as much value as you can, create posts and blow people away. Step number 4. So after you started posting and providing value, there are several things that will happen, okay? People will start noticing you as an expert on that specific field because you are here showing up every single day providing value. And what will happen is some people will start adding you to friends, right? And they will go to your Facebook profile, which is already optimized, and they will see what you are doing. And a bunch of people will actually message you on Messenger. So what do you want to do? You want to get them on the phone call with you so that you can close them into your offer. But not everyone will obviously send you a message. So what do you want to do? You want to start conversations with these people. Step number 4 is start conversation. You want to actually go and check everyone who engaged with your post within these groups. So people who liked your post, people who commented your post. And what you want to do is you want to add them to your friends list, right? Because if you send them friends request, they are not strangers anymore. They already saw your valuable post. They will see your profile. They will see exactly what you are doing, and they are more likely to accept your friends request. And then immediately after they accept your friends request, you want to send them a message. Now, I don't want you to sell them straight away, right? You just want to start conversation. You want to get your foot through the door, right? So you want to send them a message and ask something like, hey, I just saw that you commented on my latest post. I truly hope that you got some value from that. Let me know if you need any help, right? You want to send them just some simple message where you acknowledge them for engaging with your post, and you ask them a question that will make them more likely to respond, right? So something like, hey, let me know, like, is there anything I can help you right now, right? Or let me know, like, what is your business? Or whatever it is, you want to acknowledge them and ask question. That's how you start conversation. And last step number 5 is get them on the phone and close them. So once you started conversation, if they respond to you, that's a great start. And then you want to let that conversation to talk more specifically about the problem that you are solving. So you want to start asking them questions about the problem they are having. And then once they talk about the problem, you simply want to ask them if they jump on the call with you so that you can help them. So you can tell them something like, hey, I have few cool ideas that will allow you to solve this problem. When is the best time to jump on the call and talk? and you want to ask them, they will tell you, and you want to get them on the phone and close them to your offer. You want to make an irresistible offer, and that's how you can get your 5 clients in less than 30 days from now. Guys, that's it. That's exactly what I did when I started, and I made over $20,000 in just first 30 days. So this strategy is 100% legit. This is not something that I just came up with right now. This is exactly what I did personally, and a bunch of my students and clients did it as well. So please, please, please actually implement this, and definitely let me know to the comments below if you have any additional questions. Let me know to the comments as well what others videos would you like me to create, and I will actually shout out to you in the next video if I like your comment. And if you like this video, guys, make sure to hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. I hope you are getting values from these. And also right now click on the next video here if you want to learn more about how to market and sell your products online. See you in the next video. Bye bye.